Hey everyone, welcome to the tutorial for Valerie by Glee cast. Super fun and upbeat song. Let's get started. It starts with a little tap, tap of the foot. It goes tap right, tap left, and then on the right side, double to the side. And then left, right, and double. That repeats right, left, double, and left, right, double. We have 4 more of these, but this time we're going to add a little change. First we're going to tap right, left, and then the knee is going to turn in, and we're going to flick the right foot up 2 times. The left hand's going to come up, and the right hand's going to come down, pop, pop. Then it switches left, right, flick, flick. Opposition hands, and flick, flick, opposition, and flick, flick. Facing the front. It goes tap, tap, double. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Tap, tap, double, and tap, tap, double. This time with the arm, arm, and flick. Arm, and flick. Arm, and flick. One more time, arm, and flick twice. Next part, we have a little box square step. This one gets a little tricky. We're going to start with that right foot. It steps forward. The left foot comes across, and we have 2 steps back, back, back. Again, right foot, cross the left, back, and instead of taking the left foot to the side, we're going to take it back here. And then left foot's free to step forward, right this time crosses, back, back. Again, left, cross, right, back, and instead of to the side, they go straight back here. Arms are in opposition. So it goes step, cross, back, back, step, cross, back. Arms are going to circle all the way around and step back with that left foot. Then left foot, front, cross the right, back, back, left, cross the right. Arms come all the way around as you step and back. If the hands get tricky, you just start with the feet, add the arms after. Facing the front, it goes right, cross, back, back, right, cross, back, and here. Then left, cross, back, back, left, cross, around, and hold. Now, there are 2 versions of this. One is what you just saw. The second one gets a little more complicated as we're going to do a little jump. So it looks kick, kick. You see that still has that cross. Kick, 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 and back. Opposite side. Left, cross, right with the kick, kick. Left, cross, right with the kick, and back. Also at the front with arms. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remember, there's 3 different versions. One is no arms, just with that cross step. Tap, tap, and back. Then you can do it with the arms, right here, with the arms circling. Tap. Or you can do it with arms and the kick. Kick, cross, back, back, kick, cross, around, and hold. So the next section is the chorus. It's a little Charleston step that also has a kick. We're going to start with that stepping with the right foot. Step right, we're going to kick the left foot out, opposition arms, step the left foot back, and then right one comes back, and the left hand comes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll showcase in the front. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you don't want to touch the ground, then you come right here. After we've done that 2 times, we have a little side step. It goes 1, 2, double right, and turn back to where you came from, and up. And the hands go down, side, around, turn, and jump, which gets us ready for the other side, where we step on the left foot and kick the right. Step, and drop, step, and drop, pop. Then we go to the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chorus, both sides facing the front. We go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the chorus, we're going to go right back into that tap, tap to the side. 1, 2, double, and 1, 2, double. Again, both sides, and then the 4 times with the flick, tap, and then the flick, tap. Next section, we're going to take it up towards the mirror. We're going to go 4 steps forward and then hold. We go 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, tap, 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 and back. 4, 3, 2, 1, and tap, 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 tap. The hands are going to come opposite the feet. They're going to come towards your legs. And we're having a go. Nod of the head. And then the arms go front, side, as we walk back. With the head. And front, side. I'll show it facing the front. It goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, front, side, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, front, side. One more time. Nod of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, and side, front, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, front, and side, front, and side. Those are all the sections. Let's put it together and dance it. Here we go.